Hi, this is a very short tutorial on how you can use WordItOut, which is a word cloud generator. You're going to log on to worditout.com. Once you log on to the website, you're going to go down to the green icon where it says create your own. Click on it. Now we're going to start entering text into our generator. We're going to use Jefferson Academy as an example. So, in using Jefferson Academy, you notice that Jefferson Academy is two words. We need to put a special symbol between the two words of Jefferson Academy to ensure that it appears all on the same line. So we're going to type in Jefferson, and then we're going to insert what's called a tittle, which is you hit shift, and then you're going to hit the little squiggly line, which is right below the escape button on your keyboard, and it's next to the number one. And once we enter in our tittle, we're going to type in academy. So I don't recommend that you use tittles with very long letters, or I should say sentences. You want to keep your word choice very short, like 2 to 3 words tops, because if you include more than that, then it makes it kind of difficult for your generator to look a certain way. So we're going to keep typing in words that are associated with Jefferson Academy. South, West, Washington, DC, middle school. This is sixth grade. And then we're going to type in other words. Okay. So we have all our words included in our generator. We're going to click on the green icon in the lower right hand corner that says generate. And now we've generated our word cloud. Let's say we don't like the background color of pink, or some of the font colors, or even the font size. Now, only thing we're going to do is we're going to click on each section in our tool bar, and we can change the look of our word cloud. We can change the background color, we can change the font, we can change our colors scheme that we have here. We can do a lot here. I would keep the color blending method and variant word color the same. I would not change those settings. If you want, you can include more colors or maybe less colors. It's up to you. It's all in what you want to do. The layout should remain with the orientation of landscape. It just looks better. I would keep the aspect ratio the same, also too, with the size. I would, if you want, you could change it to big to make it a little bigger. And word list, which is this menu, I would not change anything in this word list. After you're done, you can click on save, or if let's say you want to add some more in, you can add another term in, which you can. And you can hit generate again. You can check your colors. I'm just going to change my mind. I want to add blue in. There we go. Make it a little more colorful. I like what I see here. Now you have two options. You can save this to your hard drive by going down to the start menu in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, clicking on the Windows icon, typing in SN, which stands for Snip and Sketch. You can actually take a screen jab. I should take that back. You can take a screenshot of your work, and I'll do this again. You can do a screenshot of your work, as you can see here. And you can save this to your pictures by clicking on the little floppy disk up here. And you could type in word cloud. And I'm going to name this one a different one. Project. So we're going to call this one word cloud project because I have another one in there. And now you've saved it, or if you want, you can save this, but then you have to actually send this to your email account. I would just recommend you doing a simple screenshot and just be through with it instead of doing all the emailing. It makes this far more easier. Simple activity, simple way to be creative. If you have any questions, just reach out. Thanks. Bye bye.